Hello guys, Untitled Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we have another unboxing, because today we're gonna unbox the yellow Sport Solo Loop, which is one of the new Apple Watch bands that Apple released this year. Not only new color but also new type. So, as you can see, this type doesn't have any way to adjust it to your wrist, which is challenging. And of course Apple gives you ways to see what exact size you need, because there's like 12 different sizes. I think this is size 4, and if you want to know how I reach size 4, you can watch this video right here. But yeah, let's proceed with the unboxing. And Apple also says that this is only guaranteed to fit watches from Series 4 and up because of the new design. However, I do have here, my Series 0, so we're gonna try with that as well. But first, of course, we need to unbox it and see how well it fits me. So, we open it here, the pull tab, and I'm gonna break the box. This is the Ginger Solo Loop, it's the official name for the color, ginger, which is kind of a yellowish receipt, live right now. Ooh, so it's a nice color. It's yellow but muted yellow. It's cool, and well, this is elastic, well, very elastic. And yeah, so it says here 44 millimeters, and here it says the size 4. That's pretty cool. And then here we have instructions on how to adjust them. So it's just literally like putting it around your wrist. Doesn't have any more things. This is like kind of thick, I don't know why. Maybe to protect it. Can't see anything on the light, but I'm pretty sure there's something here. Anyway, in here we have some more paperwork. Nothing interesting. There is some warranty information. And now what we're gonna do is put it here. And I have a special watch face for this. No, I don't want you, Siri. We're gonna take it off. For better or for worse, I don't have Angel here today, so... Well, actually, I don't know. Okay, I think it's this way. So the place where it says 44 should be on the top, and then the place where it says 4 should be on the bottom. Actually, I don't think it matters, to be honest. Okay, so it's put now. You can see no buckles, no magnets, no anything. Adjust it right in. And I'd say it's even a little bit loose, honestly. That's interesting. And it was, so if you saw my video on how I chose the size, it was in between 4 and 5, and I did end up going for the 4. And good thing I did, because this is a bit loose, honestly. I don't know. I'll see how I do these days with it. I really like it though. It's very, 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 very comfortable. Of course, very easy to put, because you don't have to tie anything or buckle anything or anything. But yeah, I mean, it's not hugely loose, but it's not tight either. I don't know how a size 3 would be on me. But yeah, now before we try that, I'm gonna take it off. It's pretty tight to get in and out, honestly. I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna try it on the Series 0. So this here and this here. Okay, so it fits perfect. Like, it does fit the watch, of course it does, all bands do. And put it, and it's just the same. Maybe it's a little bit more wobbly here. Not a huge deal, I'd say it's pretty much the same. So yeah, I think you will have no trouble at all using this. Yeah, so we confirm here, Untitled Times confirms that it does work on all their watches. Okay, so now I put it back into my watch, and actually I think it almost fits this one better. I don't know why. But yeah, nothing too major. I think I can live with it, to be honest. And also in summer, right now it's like pure winter, so in summer my wrist will be a little bit more like more expands because of the heat. So this will be good. But yeah, I love the look of it, honestly. It's so clean. Very, very nice. And we also have the braided loop, which follows the same guide for sizing, I believe. And yeah, if you want me to get one of those and unbox it in the channel, please thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss it, then subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any new video. Remember, we're trying to hit 1000 subscribers before the end of this new year, so if you help me reach that, I would be eternally thankful. But yeah, if you have any questions at all about this band or the other type, or yeah, the braid solo loop, leave a comment down below and I will do my best to answer. As I said, if you want to know how I chose the color, you can watch the video that I linked before, and I will also link it in the description. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.